Basically, if I have to put it in a nutshell, if Urban Piper was a ship, operations plays a very big part in not only holding the ship together but also steering it forward.
So in a tech company, you have tech building the product and you have sales selling the product. But there's a lot of gap in between. So that's where operation comes in. Operations is a bridge between tech and sales.
I think operations here is just getting things done, no matter what it takes.
It's like the heart of the company. It's like really central to everything people do, and it's you get to interact with every facet of the company, be it tech or sales.
If I had to create an ideal setup, then I would inculcate the fact that you work like you own the company, be responsible for its success and failures.
I think I feel like when I was young, I'd be a part of a sports team and we'd all run towards the same goal. We'd work really hard, and when we achieve something, we'd celebrate amazingly. This, I think, feels a lot like that. It's just a little bigger group.
I feel it's the dedication, like whomever I see here working, they're too much dedicated to their work. And I was someone who never seen somebody being so dedicated. It's like, it's company Urban Piper, but I feel everybody like owns it like it's their company and they go with it and they are very dedicated. That's the best part about this place.
It's actually the impact that I have. Everything I do, even the smallest things, have a major impact.
The stories that I hear from my seniors of how this company was basically a very small company, and the amount of hard work that all my seniors put into growing this company into what it is, and what I can see how beautiful it has grown up. I want to be a part of that legacy. I want to put enough hard work into it. I want to see it grow in my time and then tell the same story probably to my juniors that how it was this and we worked so hard. I'd like to have that legacy.
The fact that how this company has evolved so magnificently over a small period of time, the kind of products it has developed, the technologies they have embraced, and also the way the organization is running as a whole.
The fact that it's between like a early stage startup plus it's growing really rapidly, and the fact that we've been backed by these legitimate venture capitalists like Sequoia and Tiger.
You're a part of a process, right? You're at a place where you can actually put in a few processes in place, put in a few tools into place, which can actually revolutionize the way your company functions. And just to make that kind of impact, I think is the best motivation.
Best part of being in like a growing startup and pretty early stage startup is that you can take up any responsibility you want and take ownership of anything, and it's really easy to do that. Secondly, being part of the food tech industry, so a lot of people outside looking in don't realize how many nitty-gritties are there, but now since I'm part of it, I've really understood I've understood the complete industry. Yeah.
Well, having come from an MNC, something that draws me to a startup is how fast-paced it is. Whether it be the learning or the growth. You get to connect with the vision and the purpose of the company much quicker from the get-go. And your contributions, you can see the real-time effect of it, which is something that really draws me to this industry.
For me, working here, I have a part to play in pretty much every element that makes this company. And since I worked in every single element, I've kind of understood that what is the role of every team, what is the role of every employee, and I know what moves the company forward. So I think Urban Piper has given me that opportunity to understand how business works.
Like my counterparts and my peers in other companies, they are part of projects, they're part of single projects. They do a small bit for a larger project, whereas here, people own projects themselves. Like they have a single point of contact for multiple brands and multiple merchants. I think it doesn't get better than that.
So when we joined the company, we were a group of 6. I was the 30th guy who joined the company. And on the first day of the job, we met the CEO of the company, the CTO of the company, and COO of the company. And I think that's very necessary because on the first day, we got the culture instilled.
So, like when you speak about big companies and other companies, like who gets to have a coffee with the CEO of the company, so and have a conversation about the goals of the company that are planned. In case of the old company, how it was in the sense, so it was just the team leads or the manager who used to get exposed to the clients. But here, like my role itself is to get exposed to the clients and have a conversation with the clients and like maintain the healthy relationship with the client.
I think at operations in Urban Piper, we don't just do, we understand what we're doing and we kind of know what the result of our work is. So yeah, it's not blind working, but it's kind of looking at the broader picture and trying to get that done.
So, right from getting training from our mentors to be able to train the newbies, I've come a long way in Urban Piper. Going forward, I would want to see myself, to groom in my managerial skills so that with minimum supervision, I can help my clients in the best possible way.
I think we could have really asked for better leaders in this company because you have the CEO and COO, that is Saurabh and Manav, who take care of the business side of things here, where they all, as people say, life's all about the grey area. For them, everything is an opportunity. Grab an opportunity, understand where in the market can Urban Piper actually create an impact, and grab that opportunity and do something about it. And then you have our tech head and CTO, who's Anirban, where functions in a very objective thought process, where everything has to be backed up by data and everything has to work. And if it doesn't, here are the reasons why. So I think learning the best of both worlds really shapes you. So the day I received my first salary, knowing that my work actually is worth money, and two is when the operations team was considered, or at least through data, was the best performing team of the quarter. And I would say lastly, external validation that we're doing something right, which is that we got funded.